Next time I am definitely hiring movers because I have done all of this by myself. This is like an essentials bag that I have packed so I can just like easily grab stuff out, like clothes, toiletries, all that type of stuff, so I can just easily grab it and not have to go through boxes. So I had to leave in a hurry. I didn't get to show the apartment in the end. I didn't get to show like packing my Jeep. It's basically all that I have in my Jeep is important stuff to me, and that would be my Mac, my TV, my PS5, my laptop, and then just like the quick clothes that I showed you guys, and then obviously my dog, but she's asleep next to me right now on her bed. But I'm cutting it close like crazy. Gonna literally be getting to the apartments in Charleston 25 minutes before they close. So the next part's gonna be me showing you guys the new apartment in Charleston. I haven't even seen it yet, so you're gonna be seeing it with me for the first time. Yeah, I'm just really excited. It hasn't really hit me yet because I haven't even seen the apartment in person. I've been to Charleston a couple of times, but it's just too hard to drive down 4 hours and go look at like all of the different areas of Charleston and all of the different apartments. So we kind of just had to choose online. And I can't say that it's bittersweet because if you guys want me to keep it 100 with you, I did not like Wilmington. It was nothing like the internet or Google Images makes it to be. And I am someone who's obsessed with the ocean. Like, I literally have a tattoo about the ocean. It's thalassophile, which literally means someone who's obsessed with the sea and the water and the ocean, because I'm literally a mermaid out of water. And that's not a good beach town. Sorry if anybody's from there or loves that place. It's just not. I mean, is it quite literally a town by the beach? Yes. But I don't know. It's hard to explain. I definitely recommend not living there. The job market sucks. Like probably the worst job market that I have ever seen. And so yeah. Anyways, trying to keep this positive and happy. I just know everything's gonna be 100% better in Charleston. Alright, I've made it to Charleston many hours later. The apartment is super cute. It is pretty dirty. Now I'll show you guys. But other than that, it is really cute. So this is where we walk in at. This is the laundry room. Look at that. Came in here, there's literally no dryer. But there's all of these beautiful gifts left behind by the previous tenant. We got some human hair, some animal hair. We got a used chapstick. We got some buttons. Got some medication wrappers. It's delicious. I'm very happy. We pay a deposit to live here, and comes with gifts. So, come on, baby. Come on. Got a nice little bookcase. This is the living room. That's where the TV stand and the TV will go. This is the kitchen. It's so weird. I've never seen this setup before. The sink's over there. This is nothing. It's like literally just an island. It's so strange. But at least there's like space. But I don't even know how to like decorate this because we do have some high chairs, but we're not gonna high chairs. We do have some bar stools, but we're not going to set them up. We actually have some room for a table, so we're gonna be getting a table. Then we actually have a nice little pantry, which is nice. I do love it. There is no gray. It's all brown, white, and black. This is a patio. It's so weird being on the first floor. I don't like that. It's a little hallway to the guest bedroom. Here is the guest bath. And we got the guest closet. And we're gonna go this way to the master. I'm already setting up my PS5 because there's nothing else for me to do right now other than game. And then here is the master bathroom and closet. I have another stand-up shower. And then here is my closet. So that is the empty apartment tour. Wow, I look so tired. I feel like I can barely even keep my eyes open. I think it's like 8, it's 8 o'clock. So I'm going to change to some comfy clothes. I only brought one change of clothes. Hush. She's so skittish right now. Anyways, I'm gonna put on some comfy clothes. And I'm gonna go play some video games. So we have a HomeGoods haul, a ton of it. All of these big brown sacks are HomeGoods. So let's get right into it. Firstly, I just want to show the new living room rug. It is so cute. We have a clip-on pot strainer, just a new dish drying mat. Got a new plate set because ours got broke in the move. Got a mixing bowl set. They are super heavy duty and I've really needed mixing bowls for a long time. So I got a rack to go underneath the kitchen sink. Got some new kitchen towels and then got a little sponge holder for the kitchen sink. I had to get a new knife set because I threw away the knives that I had. It was kind of really sad because I've had those knives since my first apartment that I got when I was 21. So like a long time ago. But anyways, got these knives. They look super nice. I don't know anything about Schmidt Bros. Hopefully they're good. Hopefully they're good bros and their stuff is good. But I got some steak knives, same brand. And I got this cleaver. And I also got this Brookstone knife sharpener. So I didn't get the knife block set because I honestly didn't want anything else like on top of the kitchen counters. Like, to me, it gives me anxiety because it's just too much stuff. Like, that's out. Like, I'd rather everything be completely cleared off the kitchen counters and in the cabinets. So that's why I got these, because I just want them to like lay flat and they come with covers. So that's why I did that. Don't judge me, but anytime I find these, I have to buy them because this flavor is rare. Like, they don't ever have this flavor at the store. And this is like one of my favorite snacks of all time, but it's lime plantain chips. I love these so much. They are fire. So good. Got some new bath mats. That's it for now. If I wait to post this vlog until I have like everything I need for this apartment, it's not going to be posted for like a month because there's so much stuff that we need. So I thought I would do like an updated apartment tour. Got some new furniture and then we're just using some old furniture. There's a lot of new stuff that I still would like to do. Like I want a new couch, new bed frame, new dresser, all of that. But the stuff that we have now, it works, and I just haven't really been able to find exactly like what I'm wanting, but still do a furnished apartment tour. So in the hallway, got this really cute console table. I love the light wood. And then I just put an old mirror that I have here. I'm really trying to stay away from black. Like, I just don't like black anymore. So that's there for now. I might paint that just so I can like repurpose it and not have to get a new one. But I do want on the wall. And then we come over here and I just have taken some like old decor I have and just like randomly put it together. It's not too bad, but it is like super random. This is the living room. Got this really cute coffee table from IKEA, but they did send it to us and it had like this messed up spot right here. So we just got the new one in. This is our old couch. Got this new rug, it's so cute. And then we just got this fireplace because I really missed having like a fireplace, and it does put out really good heat. Super cute vintage table. And then I just got these really cute candle holders with these funky little candles. Definitely going more of like vintage is what I would like to have. And then just our kitchen. It's a little messy right now. And then here is my office. Filming some stuff, so that's why this is so messy right here. But I'll show you guys my bedroom now. We did have a new comforter, but from Target. It was like a king size quilt, and it was so cute. It was really heavy. It just was like too big, like way too big. But we got this new rug, and I think it's really cute. I love that it brings some color, but I really would just like to have like an all white bed frame, and then like either some like vintage nightstands, like dark wood, kind of like the kitchen table. So I just would be really cute. So far I have really enjoyed living in Charleston. It's been way better than Wilmington, like way better. There's just so much more to do here. We live in North Charleston, which is considered like a totally separate town than Charleston. Just had no idea coming here what this place was gonna be like. It was a little bit cheaper here, and now we know why, because this is definitely not a safe area at all. It is not a safe area. Like, I will not go to the Walmart over here by myself. I don't even like going into that Walmart with other people because it's not a safe area. It's not good. Yeah, so we've talked a lot about breaking the lease here already because it just hasn't been what we thought it was going to be. The best thing about this apartment complex is that it is filled with young professionals. Like, it is literally just people around my age. There's been a couple of older people, but I haven't seen a single kid here. And so it's just like you go to the pool, you go to the gym, you just see people your age vibing and doing their thing, and it's been really cool. But I know that there's a lot of other complexes around here that are the same way. I really wanted to live downtown or in Mount Pleasant, but there just like wasn't much available, and all that there was downtown was like 1 bedrooms for like $3,500, and that's just like not it. Like, I'm not gonna pay New York City prices in Charleston, South Carolina. But the beach has been beautiful. We went the other day. There was literally people in the water and on the beach, and guys, the water was so freaking cold that I thought that like my toes were gonna get frostbite and like fall off. So I don't know how people were in the water. But anyways, Charleston's been super cool. I have yet to make any friends. It would be nice to make friends, but there just hasn't been a way for me to meet anybody. I did go to this like all girls event that was hosted by, oh, this is another thing about this apartment complex. Let me just show you. You barely see that moving through the trees? That's a train. Yeah, that's a train yard right there. And it literally shakes the apartment. We weren't told about a train being by here before we moved here. I know, our fault, but they definitely could have warned us how loud it is 24/7, how it rumbles the apartment. Oh, yeah, we've gotten used to it a little bit. But anyways, so I went to this like influencers event. It was supposed to be like for girls to come out and meet girls, and it was fun. It was different, but I think it was at this bar here called like Uptown or something like that. It was fun. Like, I did meet like a lot of girls there, and we exchanged numbers. Like, 3 girls asked for my number and stuff, but never heard back from any of them. That sounds so lame. Oh my gosh, I'm just like spilling the beans. No, but like for real. I thought that like I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm moving here, like I'm gonna already have some friends, like gonna meet some people. Like I didn't expect them to be like my best friends or us to immediately be friends, but I don't know, it just would have been nice to actually know people here and be able to go out. Like I just want some girlfriends to go, you know, grab a glass of wine with, or go to the beach with, or go out with, go shopping with. You know, I literally just want to be a girl with some friends. My time will come, hopefully. So all right, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my moving vlog. Hopefully I'll have a lot more Charleston entertainment that'll be interesting to watch. So, but yeah, thank you guys. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. That would be so great. I really appreciate you guys. If it's 5 people that watch this, if it's 1 person that watches it, it doesn't matter. You guys all count and you're supporting me, and that's what matters. So thanks, bye guys.